do you do this, do that? And I'm like, no, I don't do none of that. Hey y'all, I'm Ashley and welcome to my channel. We here. So today I am just gonna do a quick tutorial with y'all on how I put my makeup on every day, okay? I'm really not into doing my brows and stuff. Like, we all been in this quarantine. I've been breaking out like crazy. As you can see, these dark spots on my face. So this is just something that I've been doing really quick every day to just get my makeup together and make my face look a little bit more better. And I got this new Fenty Beauty. Here it is. A new Fenty Beauty. It is a Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation and I'm kind of excited to use it because I usually like to use Clinique. My go-to makeup is this Clinique. It's a Stay Matte, oil-free because I have super oily skin. So I usually like to use that, but today I am going to be using my new Fenty Beauty. Okay? So let's get into it. So first things first, now I've started to wear some moisturizer. So I do have this Clinique moisturizer. I don't know if y'all can see that. The focus is gonna come in good. But it's a Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. And I actually kind of like it. So I've just been using this on my face. And I do feel like it's been helping a little bit. But now I'm really into using the moisturizer. As y'all see, I just rubbed that in real quick, okay? Real quick. So I put the moisturizer on, and then the next thing I like to do is put my foundation on. And I like to just use this little palette that I have here. It's just more so, it's an eyeshadow palette, but I like to just use it and put my foundation on it. There we go. And we're gonna do a couple squirts. And that's really probably all I need. And then I use this MAC brush. I believe it's a 187. It just helps like blend everything in good, okay? So here we go with this new Fenty Beauty, y'all. Oh, let's try this out and see how it works for me today. Oh, it's really light. I guess it's blending in okay though. I'm gonna rub it in on this side. And really just try to blend it in. Yeah, and I just really blend it in, kind of cover up, go all around like the outside parts of my face. I mean, I guess I kind of like the way this looks, but it looks like it was going on really light. So I hope when I'm all done that it really blends well with my skin. What y'all think? You think it blends? We'll see. So after I put this on and it's okay, I feel like I got a good coverage with this. So then next thing I do is I actually like to, I know the next step where people put concealer on first or the foundation, however you choose to do it. I like to just put my foundation on because I don't really wear too much concealer. But I do have this little small thing of concealer and I just use a brush. I think this is the brush for your brows or to put your eyeliner on. But I use it for my concealer. You can use the brush for whatever you want. So what, it has a name, you use it for whatever you want. So I like to take the concealer and then I will put the concealer right on my spots, on my dark spots. I have one there. Here, you can kind of see it. And then I just kind of blend it in. See how I do that? And I just kind of blend it so it just kind of take away where that dark spot was at. And you don't even see it no more. And then I'll take some down here. Put it there on that dark spot and even a little bit here. And I just kind of blend it in. And that's really it. Now you can't even really see the dark spots. So then after I put the concealer just on my little spots, I know some people take the concealer and they rub it all over their face and blend it all in. I don't got time to do all that. And I tell you what, I will put my makeup on so quick within like 10 minutes and leave. And people like, oh my gosh, your skin looks so good. What makeup do you use? Do you do this, do that? And I'm like, no, I don't do none of that. This is what I do, okay? So after I put my concealer on, I like to use a MAC Studio Fix. Mine is the NC50. And I just like to use a blush brush and pat it on my face. And I'll go all up underneath here. And I just basically try to make sure it's a full coverage because I like to put the powder on over my liquid. And I make it to me, it looks more like it's an airbrush finish. And I really like that airbrush clear looking look to your face. Here, I said I done all up here, put on my nose. And this is just a little cheap brush I got from Walmart. Eco Tools, that's it. Little cheap brush I got from Walmart. But I've had that MAC brush that I put my foundation on for a while, so it's been some years since I had it, and it's still good. And I think I spent almost $50 on that brush. That was when I was first getting into makeup. But now I know you don't have to have all those crazy expensive brushes because now I got some new e.l.f. brushes and they work just as good. So, get my powder on all over my face. And I feel like it's covered for the most part really good. Everything looks really, really good and covered to me. I like it. It looks good to me. So then, after I put my foundation on, I'll use like a little paper towel and then I would just kind of go over my brows. And I do my brows last. I mean, I know a lot of people when I watch makeup tutorials, people always do their brows first. But because I'm not using like the fillers and all of that stuff, I always do my brows last. And I just take like a little brush and just kind of brush them up to kind of, you know, get the whole motion with them, the direction with my brows. Get them in focus and in direction. And then next, I have this, this is from MAC as well. It's a Pro Longwear waterproof brow set. And when I open it, you'll see it like has a little brush on the end. Just the same. Then I do my brows. Now when I do my brows, I just pretty much go with the grain of like my hair. And this is just really just to fill the brows in so that they don't look all light and just kind of give your brows some color. And I really like this. I feel like it's simple. I don't have to use a crayon brow filler and all of that stuff. Like literally just go with the way that your hair is going. And that's it. Look at that brow. Tell me that brow not good. That brow good, okay? But to me, this is simple, okay? Put a little bit more on here and I'm gonna do my other one. But y'all see, this is just so simple and easy. And whenever I buy new makeup from somewhere, especially like if I'm in the mall and I'm in Macy's buying makeup or whatever, or even if you don't buy any makeup from the mall, you can just ask them people that are the professionals. They didn't went to school for it, okay? So guess what? They didn't took the classes and got everything that they need to actually do this. So they have to help you, okay? Even if you don't buy something and you just looking, they're gonna help you put the makeup on. So, what y'all think? Brows look okay? I feel like they filled in pretty good and they look good to me, okay? So after I do my brows, pretty much the last step that I do, I have this other one. It's an e.l.f. brush, this here, e.l.f. brush, and it is an ultimate blending. So I'll just take my e.l.f. brush, and after I do that really fast, I literally just started doing highlighter, okay? Now the first time I tried to highlight, it wasn't good, y'all. My boyfriend came in and he was like, babe, why do you look like you got this gold spot right in the middle of your forehead? Well, y'all, I ain't put it on right, okay? I know I was supposed to start at the top of my nose and I started right here in the middle of my eyebrows and it was not cute. But I got this palette here from MAC I ordered. And the colors are Gold Coasting, Get It Glowing, and Rosy Cheer. So today, I'm just going to use Get It Glowing. And I got this also. This is an e.l.f. brush that's for highlight. Sometimes I see people going around like this, so I've been doing that a little bit. Boom. Okay. And lastly, yeah, I'm gonna put it on my nose, and I'm not gonna put it in between my brows, okay? Right here, and come down my nose, a little on the tip, and that's it. Now I know some people will put a little bit right there, or they'll put some here. You can if you want to, but it's up to you. I'll go here, come around, here, come around, and go right down my nose. I know now not to go in the middle of my eyebrows because that's not the way it's supposed to look. Straight down my nose. Now, lastly, I got some eyeliner, which is my go-to. I absolutely love it, and I'm gonna put on some eyeliner now. And I just like to take the eyeliner right across. I like to hold my brow and go straight across just like that. And actually, if you just come out of the crease corner of your eye just a little bit, it'll kind of give you like that wing effect look. And boom, kind of give you that wing effect look. Okay? What y'all think? I think that looks really good. Now, some people like to use that spray, okay? The finishing spray. It is up to you if you want to use that finishing spray, okay, sis? We're going to use this finishing spray, y'all. Ready? Okay. Dry my face. What y'all think? It's looking good? I hope so. I think it looks good. And I'm just going to put on some of this lip gloss because I'm really not going to put on no lipstick. This is just a quick on-the-go look. You got some on your face, and you good to go. That looks good to me. And lastly, what I'm going to do is take a picture. I think it looks great, and if y'all like it, let me know. I like it. Alright guys, if you like this video today, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below. Let me know of something that y'all use on y'all face to get rid of y'all dark spots, okay? We in this quarantine, I need to know something on how to get rid of these dark spots, so let me know. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Follow along with me. You can also click that button for the post notifications. Whenever I upload something, you'll be notified first. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, post notifications, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Thanks, guys.